Imagine you have won a lottery of $1 million. $1 million. Some people even don't think about it. 1 million? They don't have mindset of actually thinking of that. Why? Because they have some limiting beliefs which are from their childhood, as their parents have already said, बेटा पैसे पेड़ पर नहीं लगते. Money does not grow no trees. To earn money you have to hard work. See how much money we get by working a whole day. So this is the thing. This is the mindset that people have. They are not able to think. Why? I already told you. But to earn such money, to think about such money, you have to think a lot of things. You have to change your mindset. How you can achieve that? It is very much possible. I am also like that. I think that it's very difficult to earn money. 1 million is a lot. How can you start thinking about this? How can you start thinking that this is not a lot money? It is that can be earned by it. Right? There are many ways. First of all, when you try to give someone something or you have to pay the bill, simply say that I am gifting this money to him. Like if you are paying an electricity bill, say, oh my god, I need to pay such huge gift to the electricity board. If you are paying the fees for children, say, I want to give a donation to school. It's as simple as that. It is only that subconscious mind you have to change your, nothing else that. It is your limiting beliefs that you need to change. Then you will start accumulating wealth. Else, when your mindset is poor, you will not able to earn such a huge money. You have to change your mindset. Think beyond your limiting beliefs. Remove that old sayings of your parents, because that was an industrial age. Now the times had changed. People are thinking, earning money, billions, millions of dollars. They have changed their mind. They have changed their thoughts about the money. I know it's very difficult for some of you, but if you try, you have to cheat your mind. Right? But once it's done, there's a new horizon is opened. You will see a lot of things in your mind, right? So start thinking these small things. Don't see your bills. See your gifts, your donations to the people you are giving. I had started doing this and I have cleared my mind that. And one more old thing. It is not that for to earn money, you have to have a lot of money. This is again a poor mindset. Change your mindset and you will succeed. You will get a lot of money out of that.